Here's a Nissan Murano. Let's go ahead and get started. Now right over there is the fuse cover right there. Let's open up the cover and then get it out, and out it comes. Now inside there is a fuse puller. Let's grab it and pull it off. Now what we'll be basically doing is pulling these two fuses, the power outlet 20 amps, and we'll be inspecting the fuses. Very likely the issue is being caused by a bad fuse, and the good thing is we have a 20 amp spare fuse with us. So let's go ahead and get that top 20 amp fuse out first. This is the fuse that controls the power outlet that's by the central console. See, this is good because my outlet stopped working. And how do I know it's good? Look at the center part. It's not broken. If yours is broken, that's a bad fuse. And the good thing is we have a 20 amp spare fuse over here. So let's just go ahead and pull this 20 amp fuse out. Check that it is good. Once it's good, put it back in the original place and power's back on. Same idea with the other fuse. Just put the puller there and pull the fuse out. Check the fuse. If it's bad, replace it with the 20 amp fuse. When you're done, just put the fuse puller back in its place and then put this cover back in and then just press it and it's closed. And that's it.